Climate in 2 minutes. As the past year tried to pick up the speed in the race against climate change and move forward to shape critical conversations and influence public policy decisions,
it can only be said that the fight is still on. And more than ever in this year 2023, the urgency and magnitude of the challenge demands that we do more and do it faster.
Welcome to Climate in 2 Minutes Season 3. The fourth and final installment of the 6th assessment report by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change was released this April 2023. This provided a recap of the urgent need to take ambitious action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and adapt to human-caused climate change. While the report states that there are multiple, feasible, and effective options available to address climate change,
current plans and actions are insufficient to tackle the problem,
thus giving clarity why those who have contributed least to climate change are being disproportionately affected and losses and damages are experienced and will continue in the future if changing climate is not managed and urgently acted upon. Furthermore, the World Economic Forum released early this year the Global Risk Report for 2023, stating that the top of the list of risks that are likely to be most severe in 10 years are on failure to mitigate climate change and failure of climate change adaptation. And should these occur and continue, it would negatively impact the global GDP, population, natural resources, or simply saying, our lives in this planet.
In the Philippines, the National Panel of Technical Experts of the Climate Change Commission are tasked to provide technical assistance and advisory services on concerns related to climate science and sectoral impacts.
In 2021, they have identified the top climate hazards in the Philippines that all require urgent climate action, namely coastal hazards and threats, which includes rising sea levels, coastal erosion, wind and water-related hazards such as flooding, increasing frequency and severity of tropical cyclones, extreme rainfall, and wind patterns. Temperature-related hazards, which includes extreme drought, temperature increase, and rising urban heat index, and indirect impacts, yet cascading effects of climate change, which can have far-reaching consequences on human and natural systems, which includes climate-influenced diseases and biodiversity loss. Join us in this new season of Climate in 2 Minutes as we discuss these climate hazards and learn how can we prevent this risk from happening and build on our resilience. See you in the next episode!